Hi everyone. So yes, welcome back to Monday Medz. So it's not Monday, it is Thursday, but you know we have to do a video to remind you, for those of you here in Jamaica and in the Caribbean, in the path of Hurricane Melissa. Yes, it's now a hurricane. Listen, we have to take it serious. And I said it last year when we were preparing for burial. I'm still thinking about burial's effects and the trauma from burial. Listen, we have to take it seriously. We cannot say that it will not come. I met many of you yesterday and you were telling me that it's not coming and you don't have to do whatever. But listen, it's better you prepare and be spared than not prepare and it comes and you're unprepared. All right, so listen, take the necessary precautions. If you're in a low-lying area, move to higher ground. Listen, take it seriously. Take it seriously. Get your water, stock up on your water, catch up water, your containers, take it seriously. Get your light source, candles, or your kerosene oil with your lamps. If you have solar lamps, very good for you. And yes, you have to stock up on food and make sure you don't fill up your fridge with the freezer stuff, but get non-perishable food. Lest I forget that one. You gotta get non-perishable food such as crackers, bread, stuff that you don't have to cook, canned stuff that you don't have to cook. Especially if you use an electric stove, right? Get your information source, your radio, your batteries. Yes, sometimes the signals will go down or light and power will go out, but we have to take necessary precautions. Look after your roof. Check on your neighbors, especially those who are elderly or those who live alone. We have to take care of each other and do our part to ride out this storm with Jesus by our side. So yes, it's raining, drizzling lightly now, and we just had a grand rush of wind, and then there was some rain. So this is the precursor to what is coming. So let us be prepared and let us do our part, and that we all can be safe. And yes, wherever you are when the storm hits, just stay there unless it is unsafe. And you got to know the shelter in your community. You have to know what schools or community center or where is the nearest shelter, or churches that are shelters in your community. Very important. All right, so that's what I came on here to share with you, and I'm going to check on my neighbor now. All right, so keep safe everyone, and God bless you and be with you. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.